Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce digital forensics complexity with EnCase easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce digital forensics complexity using EnCase, start by launching the EnCase software. Create a new case by selecting the New Case option from the main menu. Fill in the necessary case details, including the case name and description. Choose the appropriate case type based on your investigation scope. Once the case is created, navigate to the Add Evidence section. Select the type of evidence you want to add, such as a disk image or a live acquisition. Follow the prompts to import your evidence into the case. After importing, proceed to analyze the evidence by accessing the evidence tree. Here, you will see a structured view of all your files and folders. Use the built-in filters to narrow down your search by file type or date modified. Take advantage of EnCase search capabilities by entering keywords related to your investigation. Use the report feature to extract relevant findings and create a comprehensive report. Bookmark critical data as you analyze, allowing you to easily reference important information later. Explore the various modules EnCase offers for specialized analysis, such as memory or email analysis. Utilize the timeline feature to visualize events related to your evidence. Use the export option to save your findings in different formats for sharing with your team. Make sure to regularly save your case to prevent data loss and maintain case integrity. Finally, review the entire case summary and findings before concluding your investigation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel